Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's February 8th, 2018. It's about 5:29 in the afternoon, and here comes another one of these guys. Now you look at this. Look how much stuff is dumping out of there. I get all these people going, oh, it's contrails. Really? How much exhaust is coming out of this thing? It's not contrails, guys. You're smoking hash and shooting marijuana. Sorry. All right. Look at this weird red dirt bag. Let me back up a little bit so you can see the crap coming out of here. This is two separate colors, it looks like to me. I think. Or at least it turns into it. Look at this. It's orangey on one side. Look at this. What a creeper. This guy is a freak. Trying to stay with him here. Ugly, man. Oh, focus. Come on. Don't mess me up here. A lot of times, right about now, they drop the load there. Look at that. He stopped. He stopped, just like I thought he was going to do. Now I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. Let's take a look at this dirt bag, if I can. It's getting late, so the focus is kind of screwed up, but look at this. What a little creep. I gotta back up a little so I can catch him more. Oh, this is rough. Anyway, I'm turning over backwards here, so anyhow, I'll talk to you soon. Another fun day.